Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. This update is for Wednesday, and we're now at the 17th of May, 2023, time 8:25 a.m. Central Time. Well, we're getting a little bit of a rebound. You know, last night the markets opened pretty much steady, up just a little bit in the first hour and a half of trading, not much. It has picked up momentum to the upside as the morning is wearing on. You're still under selling pressure in the gold market, in part because interest rates are still, if you will, especially the short term, not doing much other than holding on to the gains that they just made. In other words, yields have gone up because of the debt ceiling issue. We're looking at more of a rally in the energies, and of course, it's no surprise to me that crude's getting back up to the numbers that the Biden administration won't be able to buy the oil. They put out their tender, but I have doubts as to how much they'll be able to buy at a good price. They missed the opportunity $8 ago. When you look over in the grain market, more selling, aggressive selling coming into the marketplace right now. That's something to be concerned with. You know, in Japan, they're getting good economic news, yet you're coming down. In fact, you're going for the new lows on the move, just as the new central bank governor took place. So they've wiped out all the gain as he came in, and now the market's accepting the fact that there's really no change about to happen right here. We have a situation where the dollar index, as you can see, is a bit higher this morning against a number of the currency markets. Copper is up 10 cents, so it is strongly rejecting the idea of staying in the mid 360s. Does that mean it's really a turning point? Don't know yet. If you look at economic data around the globe, maybe we should go to that right now. Let me do it this way. The mortgage market headline numbers, look at how they declined in every single category. And again, this is all due to the debt ceiling, in my opinion. As mortgage rates are climbing back up, you're just shutting that market off. I think there was a surprise today. They thought housing starts were going to actually decline 1.4%, and they're actually up 2.2%, but it's the permits that have declined. They were looking for that to go up 1.2, and instead they declined 1.5. You got to scratch your head and go, what's on there? So they're starting the homes and, you know, figure the begin time from the starts to when they finish. So by year end, maybe some will be ready, certainly by the winter time. In economic data for Japan, I'll go right here. The economy expanded 0.4 in the first 3 months to March, but the bigger news is it grew at an annual rate of 1.6%, outpacing the 1.1% on an annualized basis of growth. That's taking the annualized. It even beat the U.S., and that growth, I don't know why the yen is falling off of that. That seems to me a little bit strange. You would think that the economy would be picking up because of that. Just the opposite. When you take a look at petroleum, you're going to get that number at 930. So you put it all together, an interesting day. Will the rallies get sold? That's what you got to look at. I say that because Elizabeth Warren's already come out with her usual, I'm not going to pass this thing, I'm going to vote against this, I'm going to vote against that, instead of the typical, let's get behind this and work out what we can do. But I'm fearful that other senators and or members of the House may think the same thing. So this thing has a long way to go. The president left for Japan. He's going to the G7 meeting. And can the staffers get anything done while he's gone? Because you're really running out of time. I frankly, and I said it yesterday, I'm going to repeat, I see almost a zero chance that they can get anything done over the next week, because even then, it's got to go into the House and into the Senate, and I don't see people aggressively voting and saying, yes, we've got this done. It's all there by June 1st. I still think an extension is the most likely outcome that we're going to get. I'd like to be wrong, really would like to be wrong, and they get this done, but I have a feeling it's an extension, get more time done, and able to get the vote and iron things out. In any case, remember, if you want any of our free offers, all you need to do is go to iraepstein.com. Free offers, it's the simplest way to get it. I'm Ira. I will see you all. Take care, and I'll catch you tonight as we do our market wrap-ups. Take care now.